Hey guys, so I have some stamps that I picked up from Studio Calico. They had, I think it was take 40% off. I think it was off of anything. So I picked up a few things. It's kind of rare that they have those sales. And I did just pick up, which I just ordered it today, but I picked up on a 40% off flash sale on Atlas Stationers. So if you're interested in like a fountain pen or something like that, you might want to check them out. Okay, so I picked these up. I thought I really like that font, and so I went ahead and picked that up. And I don't remember what this cost, but it was, I believe, 40% off. And then, so this is a traveler's notebook. And I think I made a mistake and got this. I was trying to make sure that things didn't disappear out of my cart. So I had picked this up first, just the notebook. And then I ended up picking up the kit with this, I think, the same notebook. But no matter. I mean, I think it was like really cheap, so it's not a big deal. And if I mess up a page, I'll have an extra. So let's take a look at this right quick. So I don't know if this was last year's or the year before or what, but I don't follow this closely. I like December Daily, but I don't, like I said, I just, do what I do. I don't really care if it was this year or last year, I don't care about that stuff. I wonder if this stuff is supposed to repeat like that. So this is cute. Cute paper. Alright. And then there is kit. Alright. So let's take a look at this washi. Really cute. And this one, those are little Santa hats. You might not be able to see it with the glare. It kind of looks like a shark fin. And then Fa La La. That's a really pretty pink. And then this multicolored. This is really cute. And then we got the, I guess, are these acrylic hearts? But, it's really pretty. They're kind of transparent like. And then you got labels that match. And then you got stickers that match. And then this is the exact same booklet. But I'm really happy about this stamp set. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. Very, very nice. And not only can you use it in your planner, I mean your notebook, but these are very good planner size too. So I am happy about this purchase. I'm happy about every single item in here. So that is what I had to share, guys. And that's it. And I will talk to you later. Bye.